Dirt Fishman here, y'all. It's been a while since we've done a video, but we're back. We just wanted to say hey. Hey. Alright, y'all, let's turn this thing here around and let's open up some cars. Alright, y'all. Up first is going to be the 55 barrel of gas. Tri-5 Terra. Everybody, open it up. Sit right here and open it up. To the side. Open it up. Come on. Alright. Tri-5 Terra. Up next going to be limited grip. It says Black Widow on the side of it, exhaust.
It doesn't have a hood on it.
No.
It doesn't have a hood on it.
It's a race truck. You don't need a hood.
Race cars have hoods.
Yeah, that there. This one here don't.
Is that race car?
Uh-huh. Alright, y'all. Up next going to be the Dodge Viper RT10.
Oh, I like it. I like it because it's purple and it has a stripe.
Yeah, it's their color.
Yeah, I didn't have to bring that one home.
No, that one don't go home. Alright, up next is going to be the 87 Dodge D100 in pink.
My mom wants this. I want this. Oh, it has 100 on it.
Mm-hmm.
Like below 100.
Mm-hmm.
Below 100.
Yeah. Up next, y'all, going to be the Porsche Panamera Turbo Hybrid. Easy kill it.
Man down.
Uh-oh.
Man down.
Yeah.
Man down.
Alright, y'all. Up next going to be the 84 Corvette. Easy, killer. Easy, man. You're shaking the tables. Alright, y'all. Up next going to be the 89 Mazda Savannah RX-7. Alright, y'all, up next is going to be the Ford Codworth.
Dad, I don't have that color. Why did you get that one? Why did you get that color? I already have it.
It's a different color, baby.
What color? What, this one? What, this one?
Get what won't roll.
What, this one? I already had that one.
Mm-hmm. Up next, y'all, is a flat 500E.
Yeah, but why did you
Because I don't have one for Diecast yet.
Yeah, and I have one. I have one because I liked it. I have one because I liked it. I got one because I liked it. Oh, what's this purple one? It's a purple muscle car.
The next one is a 69 Shelby GT500. That's the oldest version of Daddy's car.
Mustang, Dad?
That's a Mustang, baby. Up next, y'all, is going to be an 84 Pontiac Firebird.
What is this again?
It's a Firebird. Up next, y'all, is going to be the Mazda 787B, the race car. Here you go. Open it. You want to open it? me to cut my welding stuff, baby. Come on, give me another card.
Give me them pliers. Grandpa, give me them pliers.
Up next, y'all, is gonna be the Nissan Maximum drift car.
The Nissan one.
Yeah.
That's the whole paper gave us.
Okay, up next, y'all, is gonna be the Lamborghini Shy FKP 37.
I don't even know these cars. Tomorrow?
No,
Today? Today?
another video we're gonna do it.
Today?
All right, here goes the Lambo. All right, y'all. All right, y'all. That's gonna be it for our little video right here. Let's turn this camera around and I'm gonna say our
Goodbye.
goodbyes.
Bye.
Bye, y'all. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel if y'all like it. Dirt Fisherman out.
Peace out.